Matthew and then people that you would interpret whatever coach says. So like I indicated earlier, the questions, we take questions for coach first, and then we go to Nazim, and then Richard will be the last person to take questions. When the questions come, if we are doing coach first, so you allow the interpreter to do that for the coach, and then make sure that the coach also speaks, then the interpreter will do that. If you have a follow-up, don't do it right away. If there is a chance for me to give you the opportunity, I will do that. Thank you so much. So, welcome once again. We'll start with coach. Kotoko is a very, very big club. Of course, you've coached the local team of the Burkina Faso national team. You've visited Marseille a couple of times in your coaching career. How big of a challenge is coaching Kotoko?
Yeah, coach, il demande, vous avez été l'entraîneur de Luco, vous êtes venu au Ghana ici plusieurs fois avec l'équipe nationale de Luco, vous avez gagné aussi des matchs ici. Depuis le Burkina, vous avez entendu le Nord Kotoko. Comment est-ce que vous vous êtes senti lorsqu'on vous a dit que vous venez à Kotoko?
D'abord, je remercie tout le monde. Je remercie le staff de Kotoko pour me faire confiance. Je remercie les supporters. Je remercie tout le staff de Kotoko Asante qui ont abattu un gros travail avant que j'arrive ici.
Firstly, I would like to thank the management of Asante Kotoko for having the trust in me, for handling this job to me. Next, the supporters of Asante Kotoko. I also want to thank them so much because when I came looking at the supporting base, in fact, it's very huge. So I would like to thank them.
C'est une fierté de venir entraîner une équipe comme Asante Kotoko. Depuis nous on était jeunes, on entendait parler de certaines équipes du Ghana. Donc c'est une fierté de venir coacher cette emblématique équipe du Ghana.
It's a pleasure for me to be here because since I was young, I learned the name or I heard about Kotoko. And from the day I was approached, you can't imagine how happy I am as at now. So being a Kotoko coach, I'm very happy now. So, la question était, maintenant que l'équipe, en regardant l'équipe, est-ce qu'il y a il y a du travail à faire dans ça?
Oui, il y a du travail à faire du moment où ce n'est pas la même mentalité. Du moment où j'ai des difficultés pour transmettre rapidement ma philosophie au groupe, heureusement pour moi, j'ai l'adjoint qui parle Asante et qui parle anglais et qui peut quand même parler à ces difficultés. Sinon, à part ça, il n'y a pas de difficulté. C'est la mentalité, il faut changer la mentalité, qui est un gros problème d'abord. Et il y a la langue qui fait un peu de difficulté pour moi, parce que rapidement, pour transmettre mes connaissances, il faut passer par quelqu'un d'autre. Parce que l'adjoint, lui, ne parle pas français, il parle Asante, il parle anglais. Et moi, je ne parle pas très bien anglais, je ne comprends pas Asante, donc la difficulté se trouve un peu à ces niveaux. C'est pourquoi ils vont voir dans certaines séances d'entraînement tactique que c'est l'adjoint qui va animer par rapport à la maîtrise de la langue Asante et à la maîtrise de l'anglais. Sinon, la philosophie, le principe de jouer, la tactique utilisée, on fait ça ensemble avec tout le staff. Mais dans l'animation, c'est compte tenu que l'adjoint maîtrise bien l'anglais et l'Asante, c'est plus facile. Si c'était en français ou bien en moré ou bien en djoula, j'allais être aussi super dans ces domaines-là.
Yes, he just answered your question, the question you just asked. And what he said is that, yes, in fact, Kotoko is a big club. So whenever you are appointed to be a coach, you should be aware or you should have it in mind that there's a pressure in every big team. Even if not big team, as soon as you are appointed as a coach, you should have it in mind that there's pressure in this job. So he's already having this in mind. And he's very happy because of the appointment of his video analyst because he was worried. He doesn't speak the English well, and some of the players do not understand the French, so he was a little bit worried. But since the appointment of the assistant or the video analyst, he's okay. His captain speaks very well the English, and then the video analyst too is there to help him. So he's okay, and he's hoping that his philosophy, tactics, everything will work into perfect.
Il y a l'adjoint qui est gagné Kaza.
Ok.
Il y a ça qui est là, dommage qu'il ne comprend pas français, et qui comprend Asante, qui comprend anglais, et qui joue un rôle très important dans la transmission de mes idées.
Yeah, he's talking about the assistant coach Gazali, who speaks very well the English and the Tree, and he must say that he's doing very well, very well. And he even said that those of you who have been at the training ground, sometimes you see Gazali working very hard. You'll be relaxed, and then looking at how Gazali is taking them through the tactics and everything. In fact, he's working.
Please, questions for Coach. Right, your name, media house, please.
Right, my name is Alexio from Media General. Coach, I want to find out, you won your first leg in Benin 1-0. You know, history tells us that anytime Kotoko play against Burkina Faso here in Kumasi, most of the times Kotoko lose that game. Now with 1-0 in the backyard, are you sure hear that fans, management board, and also we the journalists should say that Kotoko is, the game is a done deal here in Kumasi?
Il demande, vous êtes allé au Bénin pour avoir 1-0 là-bas. Là, dans l'histoire, Kadiogo, une fois ils sont venus ici, c'était 1-0 et ils se sont qualifiés, ils ont pu gagner. Maintenant, ils demandent l'administration, ils ont tout fait. En tant que l'entraîneur, qu'est-ce que vous pouvez faire?
Oui, c'est le match le plus difficile. Ce match est très difficile parce que Kadiogo, c'est une équipe redoutable et qui est très dur à manœuvrer. Bon, on est arrivé, on a gagné une partie et l'administration a tout mis en place pour que l'équipe puisse se qualifier. Et nous aussi, nous avons travaillé depuis que nous sommes arrivés au Ghana. Et on a travaillé dur pour obtenir la qualification ici dimanche. Ce qui est sûr et certain, nous avons bossé très dur pour se qualifier.
Yes, this is a tough match. I know Kadiogo very well. When it comes to away match, in fact, they prove very stubborn. Management have done their best, board is doing their best. What left is up to we, the technical coaches, to also prove our best. So we are hoping that Sunday, God willing, everything shall work for Asante Kotoko.
Question for Coach.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, your name, media house, please.
Yeah, Coach, what has changed from a team that was conceding goals in the preseason to a team that plays its first competitive game, keeps a clean sheet, won the game, and then try to get a qualification to the next stage of the competition?
Il demande qu'est-ce qui a changé. Une équipe qui encaissait assez de buts au moment où vous êtes allé au Soudan pour les préparations. Vous avez encaissé assez de buts. Qu'est-ce qui a changé lorsque vous avez commencé à jouer les championnats, bien les Ligues des Champions? On a vu que l'équipe n'arrive plus à encaisser des buts encore. Qu'est-ce qui a changé?
Ok, et ce qui a changé du moment où on est allé au Soudan, et vous savez que moi je rejoins directement l'équipe au Soudan. Donc quand on est allé au Soudan, on a joué contre des équipes très fortes. El Ali et Sima, et c'est des équipes de très renommées. Maintenant, ce qui a changé dans notre organisation défensive, nous avons corrigé les lacunes défensives constatées au cours de ce tournoi. Et nous avons amené aux joueurs une mentalité de se surpasser lorsqu'on n'a pas le ballon. Donc voilà un peu, c'est les corrections qu'on a mis par rapport aux incorrections constatées lors du tournoi au Soudan.
Yes, what has changed is that when we went to Sudan, we considered a lot of goals. The technical team, we sat down and wrote down all the mistakes that we saw. So all these mistakes were corrected. And also we told our defense to be very focused whenever there's no ball. Because as a defender, if you do focus, that's where the opponent can penetrate. So we corrected all these things and advised them, and I think that is working for us.
Your name is yours, please.
My name is Emmanuel from Ghana News Agency. I'm coach. When you were speaking, you said something about philosopher, and I want to know the kind of formation or tactics as a coach you prefer to play. Are you a type of Marino or Pep Guardiola style as a coach?
Ouais, il veut savoir, lorsque tu parlais de ton philosophie, ou bien ton système, il veut savoir, ton philosophie, là, c'est quelle philosophie? C'est de José Mourinho, c'est de Pep Guardiola, il veut savoir de la manière dont tu fais tes choses.
Il faut le dire que, au fait, le football africain ne peut pas se comparer au football européen parce que ce n'est pas les mêmes égalités. Alors, ce que je lui dis seulement, nous travaillons en mix. C'est pas, comme il parle de Kadiogo, il parle de Mourinho, je pense que c'est les deux. Le Mourinho, il faut éviter de prendre les coups. Et la philosophie Guardiola, il faut bien jouer les marquer. Donc, on travaille les deux.
Yes, what he said is that football in Africa and football in Europe are two different things altogether. And Mourinho is defend and then go. And then Pep is let's play the ball. He's also having his philosophy and tactics, but that cannot be disclosed to you. It's on the pitch that you see it, so he cannot disclose his philosophy or tactics to you now.
Right. Your name is yours, please.
Richard Champo, Akombe. Coach, you have been in Ghana not too long, but with Kotoko for a very long time because since you were appointed. Now, having seen the materials you have now, and the fact that you signed only 1 year contract, what do you want to achieve with Asante in your 1 year?
Sa question c'est que vous êtes venu à Kotoko, c'est votre première année. Avec les matériaux qui sont là, les joueurs qui sont là, un an, qu'est-ce que vous pouvez faire avec les 1 an que vous avez signé?
Oui, c'est une question importante parce que je ne peux pas changer parce que je suis venu trouver que les joueurs sont... On a recruté des joueurs. Je suis venu trouver que les gens sont déjà recrutés et c'est difficile de venir trouver les gens et puis les enlever. Ça c'est difficile. On fait avec les joueurs qui sont présents. Maintenant, au fur et à mesure que je vais constater que ces joueurs-là n'ont pas de qualité et qu'ils n'ont pas de niveau, pour répondre moi à mes exigences de football, je vais demander aux dirigeants de les remplacer. Le matériel n'est pas le matériel, celui trouve que le matériel est là. Ils ont Asante, ils ont de bons matériels de travail et je pense qu'à ce niveau, il n'y a pas de problème.
Yes. What he said is that yes, indeed, he came and met the material or the players here. Yes, when he cannot sit here and promise that with in my 1 year, maybe I'll win Champions League or I'll do this, I'll do this. But what he says is that with the materials available, he'll try as much as possible and do something good within the 1 year.
Your name is yours, please.
Michael Akugade is from Super TV. Coach, Commander Asante Kotoko supporters are very passionate about the club, and they are really looking forward watching the club play the group stages of the CAF Champions League at Bavaria Sports for a long period of time. What can you tell them? Can you give them an assurance, or what are you going to say to them to give them the kind of morale they need towards the game against Kadiogo and also looking forward to the group stage of the Champions League?
Oui, les supporters de Kotoko, il y a très longtemps, ils ont assisté à un match de Ligue des Champions ici. Et l'année dernière, la tendance des supporters n'était pas trop ça. Qu'est-ce que tu peux leur dire pour que le match du dimanche, il puisse venir et que la Asante Kotoko puisse se qualifier?
Je demande aux supporters de sortir massivement, supporter leur équipe chère qui est Kotoko, surtout dans les moments difficiles. Parce qu'un match de football de 90 minutes ne peut pas être bon pour Asante. Il va y avoir aussi des moments difficiles dans le match pour Asante. Donc, c'est en ces moments-là qu'il doit sortir, supporter massivement dans les moments difficiles. En tout cas, dans les temps où il a sorti, supporter dans l'équipe, je les encourage aussi à supporter dans les moments très difficiles. C'est ça, on reconnaît les supporters. Quand tu prends l'exemple anglais, quel qu'en soit le club anglais, et quand ils sont en difficulté, les supporters changent du début jusqu'à la fin, et positivement.
I would like to encourage or to commend Asante Kotoko supporters to come out Sunday. It's a tough match, tough match because coming here with a goal, it's a tough match. And the difference will be the supporters. If indeed they have their club at heart, this is the time. We don't support when things are going well, no. In terms of difficulties, when things are going well, you need to show up that indeed you are a good supporter. When you go to Europe, even when the team is going to relegation, yes, still you see the supporters at the stadium full of capacity. So that's what I want the supporters to do at this moment on Sunday. We want to see them; they should be the number 12 for us to qualify, and then next will come from there.
Question for coach. Question for coach. Right. So we move to last one. Okay, your name in the house, please.
Please, coach. What should the fans expect from you? And what do you expect from the fans also on Sunday?
Sa question c'est que qu'est-ce que les supporters n'ont qu'à compter de toi? Et puis toi aussi, en tant que coach, qu'est-ce que tu as vu les supporters?
C'est ça que je disais tout à l'heure. Les supporters doivent être solidaires, la solidarité autour de l'équipe, qui est très important. De supporter leur équipe et leur chère équipe dans les moments difficiles, d'encourager les joueurs, d'encourager le staff technique. Et au retour, c'est nous, notre supporters, nous allons tout donner, on travaille dur pour que Asante Kotoko puisse atteindre les objectifs qu'elle s'est assis. C'est ça, on est là pour ça.
What I'm expecting from the supporters is to support the club and also supporting the management in whatever they are doing. Now, we being the technical team, we can't offer anything than winning. We can't give them money, we can't give them anything. What we can offer to our supporters is win, win, win. So we are working very hard to win Sunday's match, and then we continue from there.
So the last two. Obed, you take the last one. So my brother, take the last one.
Please, coach, I believe that you are a good clubber and having knowledge on RC Kadiogo as a clubber had an impact in your first leg. Coming into the second leg, what can you tell the supporters? Moreover, coming just some weeks before the Champions League and the season, do you think it will have an impact on the team because you didn't have enough time to do your pre-season with the team?
Je sais que tu es un entraîneur burkinabé et tu connais l'équipe Kadiogo très bien. Qu'est-ce que tu peux dire aux supporters de l'Asante Kotoko concernant l'équipe Kadiogo? Et puis après ça, tu n'as pas eu assez de temps de t'entraîner avec l'équipe. Est-ce que cela peut avoir des implications sur l'équipe?
Ok, je le remercie. Je connais le RCK. Kadiogo, c'est le RCK, le Rail Club de Kadiogo. Une équipe qui est basée à Ouagadougou et qui est une équipe très physique, une équipe très forte mentalement, et une équipe qui joue sur l'attaque rapide, une équipe qui lâche rien du début jusqu'à la fin. Voilà ce que je peux dire sur l'équipe. Maintenant, pour les supporters, c'est toujours dit d'être solidaire, de supporter l'équipe au moins difficile et qu'on aura affaire à une équipe très costaud dimanche ici. Et c'est à nous, déjà on a l'avance d'un but, c'est à nous de se surpasser et des jeux avec détermination, des jeux avec engagement, et des jeux avec le fighting spirit et pour ce match.
Yes, I know Kadiogo very well. I know them. I know their system of play. They are more into attacking. From the first minute to the end of the 90 minutes, they will be attacking. So coming here, I know that by all means they are coming with a mentality to score. They will be attacking. So I and my technical members are also preparing to face them with this. So we are working very hard. As I just said, they need a winning mentality. They need a winning mentality. Don't lose focus until the final whistle is blown.
Please, with regards to some weeks to the season before he was appointed,
Il a demandé la préparation comme vous n'avez pas eu assez de temps pour préparer. Merci.
Tout à fait, c'est très important. Cette partie est très importante, Siali. Effectivement, on n'a pas eu assez de temps pour travailler. Le championnat est supposé être brillant. C'est vrai, on n'a pas eu le temps pour travailler. Mais le peu de temps qu'on a, je pense qu'on a eu à faire. Je pense qu'on a mis le maximum de choses pour s'en sortir pour ce match. Sinon, c'est important, Siali, que nous n'avons pas eu assez de temps. Et je reviens encore sur le recrutement des joueurs. Le recrutement des joueurs, je suis venu trouver les joueurs. Et je n'ai pas été associé. Mais quand c'est un métier, ceux qui sont là pour pouvoir répondre aux exigences de championnat de ligue et aux exigences du championnat national et de la Coupe nationale.
Yes, though I couldn't, I didn't have much time to train with the players, but there were other coaches who were there who trained with them. So I think they did their best, and my little time that I've spent with the team, yes, I've also imparted something in them. So we are hoping that what we taught them will give results.
Your name is yours, please.
From Original FM. I want to ask Coach. Coach said Kadiogo people, they play attacking game. So Kotoko won 1-0 away from home. And coming Sunday, should the fans expect defensive game to conceive the match that is going to happen at the stadium?
Well, il me reste à voir, comme vous l'avez dit, Kadiogo, c'est attaque. Le match du dimanche, il me reste à voir, vous allez défendre, vous allez attaquer, quel système vous allez impliquer dans le match du dimanche?
Bon, ça c'est stratégie. Nous sommes en conférence de presse. On ne peut pas dire qu'on va attaquer. Il va avoir au terrain la manière dont je aussi.
Yes. What is it that is a press conference and he will not sit here and tell you his style of game that will be deployed on Sunday. So since this is a press conference and for public, he will keep this. The supporters will come on Sunday and see the system that will be played.
Right. Okay, so you take one now from your take the last one. So you're leading the announcements.
Okay, so
Forget to
let's go, Media General. Coach, I would like to know, I know you've not been with the team for long, but you read a little about them. They are talisman, I mean, the one who scored a lot of goals for them last season. It is unclear that Frank Mbella will be present for the return leg. You're still in Kotoko. If that means he's not there, can you assure the fans that the numbers that he provided, you can get any striker to do similar?
Ouais, sa question c'est que bien vrai, vous n'êtes pas, vous avez été ici il n'y a pas longtemps, mais l'année dernière, celui qui a été, celui qui a eu assez de buts pour la Asante Mbella est absent. Est-ce que vous pouvez assurer les supporters qu'à l'absence de Mbella, ceux qui sont là peuvent faire quelque chose de bon?
Oui, tout à fait. Et je disais tantôt que les jeunes présents peuvent répondre aux dirigeants de ce match et qu'ils peuvent répondre aussi à l'absence de Mbella, aux dirigeants du championnat national et des différentes compétitions du Ghana.
Yes, Asante is a club, and without Mbella, that has not been the team cannot exist. No, Mbella is not there, and the others, those who went to Benin and when the game are there, and I'm sure they respond to this match at the absence of Mbella.
C'est vrai que c'est un joueur important, mais personnellement, moi, je ne l'ai pas vu. Je ne l'ai pas vu jouer, bon, donc c'est difficile de me prononcer beaucoup sur ce joueur, mais c'est un joueur très important et c'est ce qu'on m'a fait savoir.
Yes, I've heard that he's an important player to the club and also a very good player. But I did not see him playing, so I can't say much about him. What I have now, that's what I can see. I have good players that can play at the absence of Mbella. So let's hope that those here can do something good on Sunday.
Coach, Michael Akumiaso Perfect once again. Coach, I know you have fond memories of playing at the Baba Sports Stadium, as dated as back as 2014, where you came here with Burkina Faso and eliminated the local Black Stars. Can we say, are you going to make Baba the new fortress for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, in which no other club can come in and take at least even a point from here?
Well, coach, vous connaissez bien Baba Yara. Lorsque vous étiez l'entraîneur des locaux, vous êtes venu ici pour gagner des matchs. Il me reste à savoir, maintenant que vous-même vous êtes à Kumasi, vous êtes l'entraîneur de Kotoko, est-ce que vous pouvez faire de telle une manière que le stade Baba Yara sera un lieu que tous les clubs qui vont venir ici auront quelque chose en tête, auront peur qu'en allant à Kumasi, nous allons encaisser ou bien quelque chose qui sera très différent?
Oui, ça fait partie du football, ce qu'il vient de dire, ça fait partie du football. Et nous essayons de faire tout pour rendre heureux les supporters de la Asante Kotoko au stadium Yaro.
Yes, what you just said is part of football. It's very important to make your home ground, those outside or the teams that will be coming should have something in mind that going to Babayara, we should be very careful because this person is there, this person is there, they can cause harm. So that's why he's here. He's here to do his best, as he has already said. He cannot sit here and say, I'll do this, I'll do this. Football is a game. Anything can happen. So what he can say is the supporters should trust in him. Come together, support the club in times of difficulties, and then everything will go to perfection.
Okay, you take the last bite.
Well, I don't know if anybody have asked this question. I came in a bit late. But coach, your personal target for coming to Asante, both in the league, that's what it is. And that's why I got the point. And also, in Benin, you watched the game and you your attackers missed a lot of chances. At least we felt they would have been more clinical up front. Moving forward to the next match, how are you going to fix that so that your attackers are not going to miss chances in front of their home fans? Because mostly when they play here, there's a bit of pressure on the players.
Au Bénin, nous avons suivi le jeu et on a vu que les attaquants ont raté beaucoup de chances. Je veux savoir, ici il y a la pression, lorsque les supporters sont là, il y aura une pression ici. Qu'est-ce que vous allez faire pour que les chances qu'ils ont ratées au Bénin, là, ça ne se répète pas ici?
Merci. Dès notre retour de Bénin, je pense que nous avons corrigé les lignes offensives. C'est ça qu'il faut savoir. Je pense aussi que le public ne doit pas jouer beaucoup sur la concentration de nos attaquants. Parce qu'ils sont habitués à ce public, donc ils doivent être concentrés sur le sujet. Et je rassure que nous avons travaillé à l'entraînement par rapport à ces lacunes constatées au cours du match de Bénin.
Yeah, when we came from Benin, we started working on the attackers so that they will be missing chances upon chances. So we've worked on them. And I don't also think that the huge supporters who will be coming will have an impact on the attackers. You have seen this already, and they have played in the stadium with full capacity. So I don't think this will have a negative impact on them. So we are hoping that what we taught them, Sunday, they will put it together and then implement it on the field of play.
Last one and then go to Rich.
Okay. I think you've asked this question, but from the response, I feel the coach was thinking, we're asking about the game to be played on Sunday. We want to find out his approach to games. We've not met him before, this is the first time. What is his approach to game? What is his philosophy? Not specifically based on the game that he played on Sunday. But this is the first time as media we are meeting him when he was appointed. How does he approach games? That's what we want to find out from again. Looking at his previous works, he doesn't spend too much time with clubs, apart from Kadiogo, where I think he spent about 2 years. What is it that he doesn't spend a lot of time with clubs?
Ouais, il a répété cette question. Il me reste à voir. Le système est en philosophie, pas pour le dimanche. C'est la première fois que tu croises la presse ici. Chaque entraîneur a sa manière de jouer, même si il ne va pas dans un jeu qui a assez typé du nom, José, son système c'est comme ça, son philosophie c'est comme ça. Il me reste à voir, Paul, toi ton système de jeu c'est comment? attaquer, c'est défendre, c'est comment. Maintenant, après ça, le dimanche, il a dit que non, quand on regarde tes papiers, on dirait que quand tu vas dans le club, tu ne dis pas 1 an, 2 ans, c'est comment. C'est parce que ta capacité n'est pas là-bas ou bien c'est comment. Qu'est-ce qui fait que quand tu vas dans le club, tu ne dis pas.
Ok, d'abord, je reviens encore sur le système de jeu et sur mon occasion de jouer. Et je viens de lui dire que c'est en fonction. Je suis arrivé à trouver des joueurs déjà recrutés. En sous peu de temps, on ne peut pas tout changer. Et au fur et à mesure que je vais connaître bien l'environnement et la qualité des joueurs, je vais m'orienter par rapport au choix tactique. Et quant à la question, à savoir que je ne dure pas dans les clubs 1 an, 2 ans, vous savez que moi je suis un coach très difficile. J'ai toujours eu des problèmes avec les dirigeants par rapport à mes exigences. Et il y a des dirigeants aussi qui sont trop pressés pour le résultat. Mais on a vu aussi, ça c'est au Burkina Faso, on a vu qu'aussi au Burkina Faso, il y a des entraîneurs qui sont restés dans les postes très longtemps malgré le résultat médiocre et qu'ils ont fait. Ça c'était dû à la patience des dirigeants. Mais il y a certains dirigeants qui ne sont pas patients et lorsque ça ne va pas, alors ils préfèrent changer d'entraîneur. Mais il faut aussi que j'ai des exigences, beaucoup d'exigences qui font que je n'entends pas avec le staff de board.
Concerning my philosophy, I've already said it that I came to meet new players from various clubs. I've not worked with them with so many months, or I've not, I don't know them much. So, talking about my philosophy, as I've already said, the philosophy will come. I want to get time, study the players that I have, study their various performances, individual performances. That's where I can deploy my system of play. But now I'm trying to adjust to suit what I have so that at the right time you see the best out of me or the philosophy that I want to deploy. Now the question of him being keeping long in the clubs. Yeah, what is there is that sometimes we see coaches as a little bit problematic or something else, but he is very strict. He's very strict, and when it comes to his job, he doesn't joke with it. When he's on the field, he does his work perfectly. So when you want to maybe interfere or tell him what to do, that's why you always get problem with the clubs or the management that he has worked with. So most management members of the clubs here have been there for so many years, and the performance of the team has not been good. They are still in the position, they are working. But him be the coach, when he goes there, maybe 2-3 matches, things doesn't go well, you expect him to maybe do wonders. But you be the manager of whoever, good players, you've been there working with the team for so many years. Things have not been going well. So when maybe he comes within few weeks, few months, and you expect the team to work extraordinary, that's when he also tell you his mind. Then they see him as maybe controversial or something else. So there's nothing like he doesn't keep long in the team or something.
Je voudrais ajouter qu'il y a des clubs aussi qui sont restés 4 ans. Et je sais très longtemps, 4 ans, comme ils ont sorti de forces amies histoire. Et comme le club de football, le Guadeloupe, le CFO, comme le RCB 1 an, donc il y a des clubs qui sont restés 4 ans, 3 ans. Et c'est dans ces derniers temps que j'ai beaucoup de difficultés avec certains dirigeants.
Yeah, the club that he just mentioned, he said he worked there for about 4 seasons plus. So it's not every see that he has been maybe moving up and down. So he has working with Nicholas for more than 4 seasons.
Okay, gentlemen, thank you. Now we are moving to Captain Richard Mori. What I want to happen is the first question that will come from me, and then the next question will be in English. But the subsequent one, because of the local media, I would want the questions in Twi, and then Rachel will answer in Twi. And because we have some Burkinabe media outlets, our brother will still translate Richard's answers in Twi. Please. So the first two questions, one for me, the next question will be in English. Rachel will answer in English. And then the subsequent ones will be in P, please. Rich, it's a new season. You are the new captain of the club. How are you coping with your new role, the extra role you have beyond being football? How are you coping with your new role as captain of the club?
In English now?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope being a Kotoko player is not even easy. So me being the leader now is a lot of works and a lot of things to do in the team. And yeah, my friends, like we are family. And for now, I don't think we have new players or old players. We are all one, and we are working so hard for Kotoko to reach where we have to. Yeah.
Question for Rich.
Agadas.
Yeah.
First of all, I know you and you know me very well. You attract a lot of yellow cards. That is something I've spoken to you personally. Now you are the captain of Asante. A lot of expected of you. Are you going to change the things you used to do that makes you attract a lot of yellow cards, being the captain of the team? Congratulations for you.
Thank you. I think me having the yellow card is a very bad thing, and I don't wish to do that. Yeah, it just come in. I'll just take it. So I'll just reduce it and focus on what
So next question should be in Chi, please.
Agadas. Did you 2 years pass Ufri Kumasi? Kumasi no wants none of Captain here, the amount say Fabisia Kama Kumasi Asante Kotoko. What does it mean to you?
I did mood and only courage and only Kudra, begging so which I am captain of Kotoko. Say them Sikano. Be a player for Kotoko and easy. Obia expected. So obey special and very different. Bro, teams now more teams here no more much as a big party. I say I have to mean I was me focus more. Maybe me as normal player for that time no. They see also Mrs. I'm here as a leader for now. Yeah.
Yes. Your name is
Agadas, let's media shows that over media boy, what we pass it. If you media member for only person, who guy and so on. The already good things is making Ufio, but the big truck in the school. When I did the animal this time around, fans now. So, young people who are results. Leadership not ever to cover my protocol. Then the African blue stage is not my set. Who got boy, the number of do one.
Okay, that's pressure now can go to pressure question and can you man G captain and face exactly it was given to me and I'm a call for city and farmer so being a captain and you might be prepared by selling a music catcher she also me your promises say me coach kind because we na went my nya when you go say I go born am send some my one day and brand so now if I go to control maybe I'll see you through. That's it. Yeah.
Your name in the house.
The last time I qualified for the commercial aspect was in 2006. When I was captain. Camp then a place in Eka. Oh, she was in a mere Sunday. Who was second phase. They trust me, coach so by NJ. 1 year, you man, who is saying, you know, I'll catch them.
Yeah, Franco, that's it. Your camper, history, you ready people, and I won't say, yes, so purpose, so I upon your between it. Also, to make it till like group now, no as a place, or a deal come up, and she said, you do at least for target for now, the group stages, you know, we for now. And coaching so, or by on English, mobile, the way I was in here, you know, African or a good person now. Said it was a kind of way. The new one that you want like the new thing one that you want. ultimate agro and jumanti. Yen dear, you close behind, and into commons or advice here, no chase, Pepe so, also boy could do baby say, also catch a party. You're very hard. Yeah.
Your name, media, please.
Yafi Clement Koti, Ajam FM. Agadas, the last time I could talk about Champions League stage, 2006, in your opportunity for matches in the was like sports at Anamisha. But which none of them is here, and said, we really can you go? I'm sure somebody either A to Takaba and I said, for Botswana. We are sure say young call North Africa, and I didn't move so so far. This time around, more of them have to wait for good stages.
Sena Missicano, we page now, yeah, in a butcher and down is a good today. Yeah, see, a target, yeah, and your mind. Now, we can say, maybe, yeah, and so be, maybe for me, Bobo and Subi won't be in Subi by a step by step. Now, more Sunday, your boy, your buana, you're watching the about. See, for now, son of it,
your name, media, please.
I'm a jumper. I'm glad to see you. Agadas, position I will work as a midfielder. I would say your midfielder is very well. You are more than also in but me particularly sometimes some work press box and I say what big and that and they can say very big and that's a side of the it me enjoy your style of play. Sometimes physique now it me could be and then wow and put that on air perfect. Meaning again now it should come out to this marvelous performance all the time.
And I'm kind of mindset of the Bobo. I mean, for me, no. See, we only move my chance as I'm a bomb since. See, when you say like me, I can't say me who cries or say easy, and I'm also the baby see. Telling I'm the number for now.
Couple. Captain, congratulations first. So Kotoko, Africa, no one have good result, especially I'm first like no, I don't have good result. From Bakuma. Supporters near expect lost. Sometimes we cover draw, a Kai woman cover draw, but Jaya draw, but still I don't know. But now I'm saying here, or quite away, canoe killers and then put into what we have the boat, but I know it's difficult. In that Monya 1 year away, fans never expect to say, about the effect, but I should go some more money, and also not qualifying star. We are ready for the pressure fans may be on Sunday.
Pressure, I know the buying. A very young, a very easy move, a very important match for us and for every player be all and Sunday also a winner, so you're very winner. So, Sunday, a baby on Modern Park and Sunday be a meeting. I really need a call.
Take the last one. Okay. Your name, media, please.
Thomas Cheba for UTV. Agadas, moving in leg in one call or two for and so. Open so say leg in there one African Cup on hand here. When you say group stage now, crown Isha.
In short, say step by step. If you are saying go 20, in short, and the intermediate boom said you're going to jump your your boom match Sunday where the next 2 minutes bubble on us near no and she says in a bear from or no your group from what I say. And then yes, a group stage is going to you do also I was saying before I lay.
Right, as well, then I'll catch up with supporters.
The catch up said, since I'm a Baba to call here, and since I'm a me, was in the whole Kotoko, so what is no way? I describe now was Sunday no, Mombra, because without them eating me, and I mean, so like, players in all be almost about this now, different spirit altogether, it's so more Mombra, home support here, in short.
Agadas, and I'm doing sometimes you won't reaction when I say winner. There's this misconception out there said Agadas is aggressive or arrogant. Because we're also closer to the pitch, sometimes I see your reaction to referees. Yeah, the old mountain I want to tell you, come time we don't say go a cheaper referee talk as all send them an yellow. But if you have your dear chin who picture now, it create the impression that's a full call referee. Your board is or a captain, I never come for a reason, Agadas. The way pricing your corner, for those who don't see that side idea,
the calm aspect of you behind the scenes, you know. I don't know what you would tell them about that idea, say, because me, I can defend people who name what goes on down there. I don't know what you say about
Your pastor was that question. I was waiting for this. That's the part. The way I'll be reacting, like, you know, you said, of a different story. Me refi nkasa ana the way I see ball me ball no dey say be am sana me say me kan sana me ball and me to be changing from that and you say be am share ma ko tie obi ana be bisa aggression is sanity and me position is ana say me ball me timi nye me timi go go me o what I say and me obi a me so harsh to obi oni me pa ma sha say obi oni me we say pa sana man for obi oni me obeka say eh me gidi ni ade me very camp by me working there. Minya group back so there and refugees me who refi bia o kan say medina tem say bia there be minya bia the because who nim ya na be kasa say bia me nim obi wa na o ye bia because go ya me timi enka no amunu wa na o say me hu the way o sit answer na maka ba Ghana dey no bia be kana say me 20 bi ba o say me papa it me papa me ya mama ya me that's
Thank you. We have just a comment from Nazim J, the video analyst. Nazim, welcome to Ghana. Welcome to Kumasi. How is Kumasi treating you?
Ouais, Nazim, soyez les bienvenus au Ghana. Bon, il demande depuis que vous êtes arrivé au Ghana, spécialement à Kumasi, comment est-ce que vous trouvez l'environnement ici?
Oui, j'ai remarqué beaucoup de difficultés. Donc, je remercie tous les gens qui m'aidaient pour venir ici. Et je remercie aussi mes parents, parce que mes parents m'aidaient beaucoup. Mes frères, mes amis. Autant que je suis musulman, je vois qu'il y a beaucoup de musulmans ici au Ghana. J'ai rejoint ce club, ce big club, Asante Kotoko. Donc, à part mes objectifs de quitter l'Algérie vers des clubs hors d'Algérie, c'était ma deuxième expérience. Donc, ma première expérience était avec l'équipe Beşiktaş à la Turquie. Oui. Lorsque j'étais étudiant, j'ai fait un stage avec l'équipe de Beşiktaş et j'ai obtenu mon diplôme ici.
Yeah, what he said is that indeed when he arrived here, again, it wasn't easy, but God is so good. Now he's moving on. Firstly, he would like to thank management, those who brought him here, and also his parents, because when the call came for him to come here, he discussed it with his parents before coming, and they agreed for him to come. And when he came, what is motivating him now is that he has seen that there are a lot of Muslims around here, especially here, there are a lot of Muslims. And he being Muslim, I think he's very happy with that. Now, through his coaching job, as he just said, he has been to Besiktas and then now to Ghana. He's hoping that things will move well for him.
Just one question.
Well, my name is Obere Champon. We just want to know the scope of his job. When you say video analyst, what exactly does it mean? At least to educate us, because his functions, his duties, and the expectations.
And then he's
as a video analyst.
Il aimerait savoir ton rôle, c'est quoi?
Sur mon contrat, je suis analyste vidéo. Mais mon diplôme est entraîneur et préparateur physique aussi.
He said in his contract, he signed a contract as a video analyst. Aside that, he's also a physical trainer. That is not part of his work. The contract he signed a contract of a video analyst. So that's why he's here.
No, I know that, but what does a video analyst do? That's what we want to
He demands le rôle de l'analyste.
Le rôle de l'analyse vidéo, c'est viser les points forts et les points faibles et corriger les fautes au conseil des conseillers. Et aussi, l'analyse vidéo remarque des choses mais que ne remarque pas soit l'entraîneur, soit les supporters, soit n'importe qui.
What he says is that being a video analyst, he's here to know the weak points of the opponent, where the opponent has a strength. He's also here to correct the mistakes that will be coming, because the coach is on the touchline going up and down, might not be seen. But him being the video analyst, after the game, he will watch the game, watching it several times, then come out with the mistakes that came and then draw the coach's attention that this happened, then to correct those mistakes.
Right, so we'll take a few comments from the brand's manager communications director, David. So let's.
I read them some other country and I in few issues kaka. Technical team to say for the first round, I must say training a baby behind closed doors. You call Benin will be on the time and say media houses are about Benin and my mom more fine. I'm a Mati hotel car, any place now in party. I want some very training. Sashi Shena and a neighbor, my sports stadium. A Kayan Quadia, he waits when I open the back home. I support this in a bit my barbarian training, but it's based on technical advice. The best the supporters in an honorable gate, Amania access, and from the stadium. Say, Shishayaba, the Benyadia, the baby. I won't send them your ITO. And it's a first now, because the supporters in training. I want to supporters in one area. You know, we share watching the phone. Now I recording. I never tell them we're opening so at my day. And yeah, with details of your training. It's the best to say so a very training our virus supposed to be now watching on the so we say you train now behind closed doors supporters any media will not be allowed access into the stadium. Necessarily not training now in the pen say you know now Asante Kotoko are qualified to the next stage. Now you see it's not to assume everywhere. Maybe so my opportunity in America for sense of so asset. See Gusua they register your home. So your Kotoko near the thing and so Kotoko number there. Yes. Someone the first one you work one clubs in Queen. Because I say a course Sudan I acquire precisely. Now the move pre like I say Sudan TV no my idea. The best left back last season. So have a funny go. But okay, comedy in Sudan for the year. It's a whole census project. More fans on register. They have about 12 million registered fans. 12 million, they contribute over $20 million a year for Ahila. At the fair venue, who you inviting me and because of funding, we have fees our census with the best say you will be our baby. You're paying who have our census. Now, you subscribe. They say we register out the 30 cities account. Now, when our access bank, Pesa card, you say supporters in the view, so answer Ashasia or Moka. March, you know, besides the Bona Buy Stadium, e-ticket and Yediko. It's a best star 711 hash. Umia so pocket matter. You go back pocket matter up to 100 tickets. Now system you so no kasa challenge you have piano. Reach to some of us. You need e-ticket paying for super kasa. Now it's not provide the opportunity for it. But you so already come out to make sure say be our every say open by that consider now how much the piano. An opportunity to provide it. Fans also added to you say your virtual city so embraba. Into the virtual city is also back. I are publishing. Kakra being with me mapa for the software. Now the small contribute to now Asante Kotoko so economy. This is the first exercise I had with the press conference in a very long time. We are hoping we can continue for other Premier League matches as well. In the better media house be by us in Nayamwa. Now you promote some match here. Now one Asante Kotoko so to be qualified to the next stages. Into Madam I don't know say maybe one or two questions. Just one or two. Something quick.
Rich, you want to?
Please, will Frank Mela be available for selection?
No, Frank Mela is not available for this game.
A lot of people accuse you Asante Kotoko communication last in social media.
perform so so with me attach this season the best season.
It has always been that. I would say the fact that we are very loud on social media doesn't mean say we are not loud on traditional media. I would say we've created it as if say there's a competition between social media and traditional media. And yes, and it's but what America wants to say. There is Kotoko mentioned to be canceling a radio program, a radio sports program in our country, Ghana had. We need to make a radio show every year. We don't mention Kotoko. Not a single one. That's it. It's not just about, it's about the information that we give to you. That's what I say. It's about the information that we have. And as for rep, we are also working on that to also get rep. But it's about the information. And Asante Kotoko is one of the clubs that we provide information than any other club in Ghana. And that you know for a fact. Say, you also Kotoko via the media and also Asante. So that is what we are doing. But of course, we also continue to improve on all aspects. We are not just going to improve on the traditional media, but also we are going to improve on social media as well. Because we all know, say yes, sports or Kuma. Sometimes I change 50-50 between foreign sports and local sports. But in foreign sports, we do not have reps in our radio stations anymore. But we provide content and international discussions. Our content even the FCPC provides. Well, last season, we provide statistics of our players. There's no maybe other club in Ghana consistently we provide the statistics of their players like Kotoko does. And all these things generating content and innovating a discussion. To my criticise there's a competition between social media and traditional media. No, the two of them are working together as Asante Kotoko to be very in Kotoko. See whether more by you say hopefully you will consider there's another big match ahead of us and also to us.